Hello, welcome back to the Off-Grid family. Today it's just a very quick video on how to make a really good fertilizer out of banana skins. It's great for potassiums, nitrogens, phosphorus. It's a very good one for replacement if you haven't got enough room to rotate crops and you need to just refill the soil with certain things. This is a great one, so hope you enjoy it. Let's get on with it. If you enjoy gardening and eat bananas, freeze the banana skins until you have a pile of them and then do this. Grab all of your banana skins, lay them individually on an oven rack so none overlap. Gas mark 1, 275 degrees Fahrenheit or 140 degrees C. Leave plenty of room between them and leave the door open if possible, because all you want to do is dehydrate them. So keep your eye on it. If you can get your temperature lower than I stated, then do it. The lower the better, the longer you leave them the better, until you want them dark brown and crispy. Okay, it's been about 25 minutes and they've gone nicely brown, but they are still soft. They're not crispy or anything. These bottom ones will take much longer, but I'm not worried about them. I just had extra. So just keep changing them around so the top will go down to the bottom and so on, and just revolve. Make sure you keep opening your oven door because you want as much of that water in the atmosphere to come out of the oven. Otherwise you'll just get soggier and soggier stuff, and you want it obviously to dry off. Now the door to the actual oven is not shut, but it is just closed. You know, it's just not completely sealed is what I mean. But you can see that layer of moisture. If you don't open it every so often, the moisture just stays in and nothing happens to them. They go brown, but they just go soggy. Now this is the second batch I've done. Down at the bottom is the first batch, and that is just there, staying hot and getting the last remnants of the moisture out. And like with the rest of it, I'll just circulate these, top goes down to the bottom and so on. It's looking better. I'm going to turn them all around, sort them all out, and then I might have enough time to put some more on. And here's our pile of dried banana skin. Let's have a little chat about what they're good for and what to do next. Okay, so when they're at this stage and they're completely easy to break apart, you can use them as a fertilizer. They're super high in potassium. I think one of the highest things you can put on your garden that's natural in potassium. It's got nitrogen and phosphorus as well. And you can basically crumble them up and sprinkle them on the garden. And one good thing about it is, if you put them this size, they're going to take longer to break down, so it will be a slow release. If you powder it, it will be quite a quick release. And so you've got some sort of power over how quickly or slowly it's released into the soil. It's basically up to you. But what you want to do now is, as I say, crush them up. You don't have to crush them up if you don't want to store, but I crush them up so they're smaller and they take up less space, and then I vacuum seal them with a little bit of silica gel if I'm not going to use them immediately, or you can put them in a kiln jar, whatever, and just keep them. And because they've been dried, as long as you don't allow water to get to them, they'll last pretty much forever. But this is a really good way of just fertilizing your soil, and it's free. You know, we'd often put them in the bottom of the oven while we're cooking, and our bottom of our oven is very low temperature, so it works wonderful, and it means we're not wasting gas doing it. I did that just for this video to show you, and there was a lot more than usual. But I hope that's helped some of you. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you again next week. Bye for now.